Children, how's your day? Hope that you are fine fine our afternoon. You are fine this afternoon. Today is Tuesday. Our subject today is computer. We are on I'm your teacher Eden. We are on our third quarter. Okay, we are on our week 1. Our lesson for today, it's all about the desktop. Okay, so I will explain to you what is all about desktop. So, Microsoft Windows is the operating system found on most personal computers. As you open the program, the Windows main screen called the desktop will assist you in working with your computer application task. Okay, so the desktop screen has 5 main components. So listen carefully as I read all about the main components of a desktop. So this is the main components of a desktop. The start button, the icons, the taskbar, the wallpaper, the notification area. So I will explain to you all about these 5 main components and listen to my explanation. So the desktop screen has 5 main components. These are the start button. This is where you access all the programs in your computer. When you click this button, it will show you the menu of programs installed in your computer. In the menu, there are programs options that display around an arrowhead. Okay, did you see an arrowhead? Okay, when you click this arrow, a new set of menus will display. Okay, that is the start button. The icons, or number 2, the icons, these are the small pictures scattered on your screen. Okay. These are some of the programs installed in your system. To open an icon, double-click it. Okay. So, there are list of common icons on the desktop. So, listen very carefully and I will read this list of common icons found in the desktop. Number 1, the computer. So, when you click the computer, this displays all the available drives and storage in your computer. Then number 2, network places. This displays the other computers in the network. The network printers and other network resources connected to your computer. That is all about network places. It's connect or network resources connected to your computer. How about the documents? Number 3. So, the documents, this is a folder that stores documents, programs, settings, and other files used by the programs that run your computer. Then, number 3, recycle bin. So, a recycle bin is this where the deleted files are temporarily stored in this bin. You may be able to recover files that have been deleted. So, pwede, or you can also recover the files with the recycle bin in your computer. Okay, so that's all the list of common icons found in the computer. So, or the icons. The computer, the network places, the documents, and the recycle bin. Okay, number 3. The desk tab or the desk bar. So, this is the gray bar found in the bottom part of the screen where the start button is located. Windows has ability to run several programs at the same time, and the taskbar switches a task back and forth. To open the running program, simply click the program button on the taskbar. Okay. Then the number 4. Number 4 is the wallpaper. So, what's the design of your wallpaper in your computer? Okay. So the wallpaper is the digital image background of your desktop. The design varies to all sorts of theme. Okay, that's all about wallpaper. Number 5. Number 5 is the notification area. So what is the notification area? This is the portion of the taskbar that provides the temporary source for notification status. It can also be used to display icons for system and program features that have no presence on the desktop. Okay. So there are 3 common icons on the notification area. Then I will read it to you. Then listen carefully. So the 3 common icons on notification is date and time control. This is part display the current date and time, program update heavy depend on these features. Okay. The computer needs a date and the time control. How about the volume control? So the volume control, this button leads you to volume adjustment. You can change the volume of your speaker or headphone using this. Okay, that's the volume control. You can adjust the sound of your headphones and speaker. Okay. So what is and number 3, the install device icon. This is where notification pop up once a new hardware is inserted in any of the USB ports. So the common icons of notification are the date, the time control, volume control, install device icon. So, the 5 main components of the desktop is the start button, the icons, the taskbar, the wallpaper, and the notification. Okay, the desktop is very important to us nowadays because of our today or of the pandemic. So, the desktop is very important because you can You can search all over the information about this desktop. So you should study all about the main components of a desktop, so you can know about this area and all about the area and the desktop. Okay? Okay, children? So, okay? Do you understand our lesson, children? If you have questions regarding to our lesson today, just chat me in my messenger. Thank you for your listening. Bye!